Hey, what is up guys? American Survival 101 here. Today's video is on the Leatherman sidekick. Here it is itself. This is exactly how it comes. Not a review though, but still intact. It's got a nice little belt clip on there. You can take it off whenever. And you can get this on their site or anywhere. I got this in black. I usually carry this. It's got the Leatherman stamp on there. And it fits nice and snug. Even if you take the belt clip off or with it, whatever you choose. But here it is, Leatherman sidekick. Real nice. Belt clip is super sturdy. Never had to tighten it, never had to sharpen it. And I prefer Leatherman's actually because they do come with a warranty. If you break it within, I believe it is 8 years, you can box it up, send it in with a ticket, and they'll fix it or send you a brand new one. This is about $30. I've had it for a while now. Still looks brand new actually, but I have beat the crap out of it. Alright, let's see what's inside. First thing first right here is you got a nice knife. Real easy accessible. That's why I got this one. Because you don't have to take it apart or open it up to get to the knife. It's just right there. It is pretty strong too. On the other side, you got a saw. Real sharp. And you open it up, there's your pliers. You got your needle nose, your box grips, and then your wire cutters. And it is spring assisted. Like that a lot. Depending on which way you hold it, for me right now it's my left. You have this screwdriver, I'm sorry I can't remember what it's called, and then you have the other screwdriver, and it's flat for your X screwdriver. I'm so sorry I can't remember what it's called at the moment. And then on your other side, you have a serrated edge, kind of a ruler, another screwdriver, and a file. It's a wood stainless file. Your lanyard hold, and your bottle opener, can opener, and also down here you got some wire strippers. So yeah, real nice Leatherman. Awesome. $30. Check it out. Pick up a pair if you don't have any Leathermans. Leatherman sidekick. Remember to subscribe and check us out at Twitter at American Survival 101.